popular government nama leiraga oidaba mayam ama hajinba adagi opposition pick na lejaba akhoi MLA manga khak lejanbada case panjanba adagi tongan ba charge mayam ama tauba sarkar na laiba ga se mangan mana moina mangan baduga congress ta charge tauba laiba ki administration heitraga adagi haisingba dugi skill leitraga ngasai congress na sarkar leitabasta tainaba mafam kudimakta state kudimakta union territory kudimakta ED leiba central gi agency mayam singsigi mamangda protest sama AICC na tawi state kudimakta madugi matung nongnini leraga BJP Manipur Pradesh na akhoi charge ama tawre statement ama thoklei madu akhoi madu statement du BJP city mayam na akhoi khangi asidi akhoi gi lairabagi khandaba amasung praja gi khandaba issue mayam jingsi khandaba aduga makhoi khara khaki khalaga hoji mayam da akhoi gi unfair means mayam ama sinarega lewa ngakwa ngasi mak Manipur da oiriba fibam masi hoji makhoi da thambal sanglen da hairakhibedo masi politically makhoi na BJP na akhoi Congress party amasung akhoi ED Enforcement Directorate na piriba charge sheet tawriba mayam singsi siga mari lena nei khoda muk masi aranba ni akoina ED gi mamangda protest tawribasi court ta leina tawi adagi Supreme Court ta leiba case ni haibina chingba akhoi gi basis leitaba Supreme Court ta su leitaba wafam mayam ama hairak pa haibidare aduna maybe akhoi gi aina hobada honorable MLA lamlai SC amadi BJP gi leaders khara press conference ta ubudu de yawbo ui hauji hairiba akhoi gi Madam Sonia Gandhi ji amasung akhoi gi leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji da charge tawrokpase masidi yumpham yaudaba aduga akhoi gi party gi leader singda party se kihanba party gi activity tawhandaba opposition party gi mayam sing leiriba mayam akhoi gi Congress party other opposition political party singda threaten tawba aduga akhoi gi politics of vendetta asigumba mayam intimidation tawba ni haidana akhoi hairibasi political parties sing se kihallaga akhoi ji activity tawhandaba democracy gi madugi wahan thok lehendaba mayam ama akhoi uri Manipur da su akhoi uri basi mangai popular government ama leiraga oidaba mayam ama hajinba adagi opposition pick na lejaba akhoi MLA manga khak lejanbada case panjanba adagi tongan ba charge mayam ama tauba sarkar na BJP na laingakpa adagi laiba ga se mangan mana moina mangan baduga congress ta charge tauba laiba ki administration heitraga adagi haisingba dugi skill leitraga ngasai gi congress na sarkar leitabasta tainaba aina lakchari bu wafam di thambal sanglen dagi tholakpa statement do madu yumpham jaudaba Parjada Lan Hijab statement amani kudam di Supreme Court ta case chathari tang kun manga hai karamba tang kun manga no ju khangde April ki tang kun manga ra May ki kun manga ra ju khangde Supreme Court ta case leite there is no case pending in the Supreme Court adu Supreme Court palle honorable MLA amasung BJP ki leader na madu sulai leite yes aran ba yumpham the base tawga ED na charge sheet tawrei haibadu madi akhoi khangi madugi procedure do dum chathari akhoi ju thengnagani akhoi gi singli da cheliba akhoi gi singli sida akhoi gi e cheliba makhai Congress party na madu fight tawguni haibase this is our stand aduga Supreme Court ta case chathari haiba there is no summon from the Supreme Court there is no summon from the High Court this such type of cases is no more nowhere nothing with the Supreme Court aduga Supreme Court ta leitaba case to Supreme Court ta tang kun manga da lei madugi verdict laaga akhoi gi ED charge sheet tawrisi gi matang tho afam leigani aduna madu yaudringai da akhoi gi Enforcement Directorate ki mamang da protest tawi kholi haiba adudi khangdana haibasidi aidi yamna a little knowledge is a dangerous thing khangdana wangang bi badi being the MLA being the leader of the political party without having any ideas adugumba mayam jingsi ai dingang haning de par khanga ngang biu hairiba akhoi leiriba BJP gi masigi tawreiba attempt masidi akhoi na khange side haijillaga minamba mayam jina hayo ngasi India da 2014 dagi aduga state na 2017 dagi BJP lengak lakpasida thabak kaya pini haikre adagi naha kaya CM ni haikre promise kaya legi ngasi BJP gi agenda manifesto of the election karamba agenda karamba manifesto the yaurba point kaya karamba fulfill tawgiba amtang puthoro ai MLA oi topige so far not ngasi bokta BJP gi manifesto da yauriba mayam jingdo fulfill amatang ngasi bok taw ngamdri there is a lease of lies in the manifesto of BJP adu ngasi ba kaim leitribani aduga migi sidai sida lan na tawsanba It's a private company. It is not a public company. They should understand. BJP Thamban Sanglen, Manipur state, they should understand. BJP Amit Shah, Modi ji, they should understand it is a private company. It's not a public undertaking company or public company. It is a private company. Aduga private company, migi atmosphere that thing jalaga disturb tawraga nation sida lana lamjingi. Adaina topada wafam asida to the point the lakcharabada is a masi lamdam asida thoiba laibak asida thoi particularly Manipur the thoiba issue mayam singse masi digression of the public attention akhoi prajagi tawgadaba thabak myam tawdaba is a vendetta type akhoi parties the maran thajalaga makhoi parties afaba saba adigumba blame game politics sugumba digression tawna lay ani subda D3 1D4 digression 1D4 diversion akhoi failures of the BJP. They are diverting the issues, the failures of everything, the failures to give jobs to the youth. They are diverting the issues. The issues of inflation, they are diverting the issue. It's a diversion. Diversion the issues of the failure. That diverting the leads of failures of the BJP, both in the center and the state. And again, distortion. India ki freedom struggle mayam adagi adugumba leaders mayam sing India haujik laidiba Modi ji Amit Shah pokringai dagi India ki freedom struggle dagi aikhoi gi National Herald haiba freedom adigumba struggle da asauba thodang lorakpa mayam no respect taunariba ikai khumnariba sigumba National Herald sibu ngasai gi masigi history. When there is the history of India, then there will be history of Congress. When there is the history of Congress, then there will be history of India. Asigumba aikhoigi the history of Congress is a history of India. The history of India is a history of akhoigi Congress party. Masigi freedom struggle asina singbo mayam sigi distort tawnaba thugainaba mayam honarakpa mayam adugi sar sitneba Congress and our leader Gandhi families, Rahul ji, Sonia Gandhi ji, and Priyanka Gandhi, Bhadra, so and so forth. The families of Gandhi who brought our independence. Asugum mayam sing disturbed or distortion akoi history mayam. Congress ki history mayam taunuraba adigumba attack to ne. Maramadunai masigi D3 se. This is their policies. Aduna masida blame tauriba state ki aina clarification ma taujaningi se. Aran by Yumpam the Prajada Lan Hajan Binu. Nan Hibi Supreme Court case late to Supreme Court case late. Adagi Kotagi Samantaropa late, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. Saman late, any court amna saman late. Quarter tang could munga the hearing lawyer, Madugi, Poto Lepani, Adugi protest on either Kalitega, that is wrong. It's totally wrong.